Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Yeah, doorknobs. Jeez. Written in English? Kind of. Even the pictures are hard to understand. But here's my template. I don't know if you can see that. It's very flimsy, so I actually copied it and made a cardboard one. Marked my center line. Double checked it. It's the right size. It's actually enough play there that the hole don't have to be perfect. So I lined it up. There's the edge of the door. Marked my center right there. Boom. Drew it out with a marker. I know that's hard to see because black on blue. There's my hole. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just gonna cut this out with a jigsaw. I don't have an O saw for steel. Everything I have is for, surprisingly, it's for wood. My jigsaw, I only have wood blades. I thought I had some steel ones. I don't. So I'm gonna drill it out with a million little holes. Let's see how hard it is to drill first. Very hard when my chuck on the way out. Not my day, is it? Okay. It's gonna be fun. Okay, Einstein, now what? I'm gonna try this old blade, which may or may not be for wood. So far, so good. Yep. You see that? Every tooth is gone right there. Well, we got a hole. I'll get it cleaned up, make everything fit. Oh, I forgot about this. You see that? That's the side of here. If it wasn't for that, I would have got her no problem. Oh man, oh man. Always something. Now, file maybe? Clean it up. I don't have the knob on the bottom side yet. Oh, and you guys thought I was crazy, yeah? It took a lot of elbow grease and every tool in the workshop except the chainsaw, and I'm starting to think maybe I should use a chainsaw. But I got the hole in there. I still need to cut the hole here. But it's lunchtime and I need a break. Oh boy, that wasn't easy. But it's on there. Whew. Look at that, huh? It almost looks round and everything. I'll actually cut this hole as well. That one wasn't a difficult one, but this one was. Boy. But it's there. It's good. It works. Now to paint. Gotta get this thing installed tomorrow if possible. The next day at the latest. So. Coming down to the wire. Why, I tell you, I didn't think it was going to be that hard. But you know, it was. But I did it. I can do it. Alright guys, well we'll end it right there. Always fun in the workshop. You never know what the day is going to bring. Now I gotta paint. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.